I want to show you how we generated over 1,000 reservation requests for a resort in British Columbia, Canada called Quate Lodge. Quate Lodge is a client of ours that came to us with a really simple problem. They wanted to boost their online bookings in the summer months, especially in the midst of the difficult pandemic that we just went through. They were looking for more brand awareness, more leads, more people just generally inquiring and booking online to come stay at their property, where they offered a wide range of amenities, spa services, restaurants, hotels, golf club. It's a fantastic property. They just needed help getting that out to the community and getting leads in the door. So that's exactly what we did. My name is Darren Cabral and I'm the CEO of SuitSocial. We're a digital marketing agency that helps businesses build their brand, generate leads, and acquire more sales online. We do this with a unique 5-step advertising process and a strategy that we call acquisition branding. So let me just take you through a few of the basic steps of what we did with Quate Lodge to acquire these results for them. Okay, so jumping right in, we're gonna go into the strategy that we use to help Quate Lodge generate those 1,000 reservation requests. As mentioned, we use a strategy that we call acquisition branding. This is a 3-step advertising system that involves building brand awareness, generating leads, and nurturing those leads until they convert into paying customers. And this is a system we use with Facebook ads, with Google ads. We've even implemented it with TikTok and LinkedIn. But here's how we specifically implemented it with Quate Lodge. So hopping over to step 1, you'll see that the first campaign that we built out for Quate Lodge is what we call an awareness campaign. In this case, for their resort, we focused on showcasing the 3 main benefits of what they offer here at the resort. That's the spa, the restaurant, and the golf course. And we used very well-crafted professional media showcasing each of these categories. And we essentially promoted these to a highly targeted group of what we thought would be likely customers. The point of this was get the videos in front of as many customers as possible, get them consuming, watching, engaging, so that we could retarget them later. But even at the first stage, getting them aware of the brand at scale was important to Quate Lodge and it was important to us. So step 1 was building that awareness campaign, getting those ads up to the target customers, and building up that audience. Step 2 was our lead acquisition phase. In this phase, we want to start targeting a lot of that awareness and a lot of that engagement, the warmest customers that are aware of the brand and what they offer, with a specific offer. We call it the perfect offer. And the perfect offer is just something that is very easy to put in front of your customer that they just can't resist. It's almost an irresistible offer. And we work with the brand to figure out what that's going to be and ensure that it's also something that's profitable for the brand, for the resort. What is the thing they want to sell the most? What is the thing that has the highest margins? What is the thing that's going to get them to their goals? And so we came up with that Quate Lodge and we put together a very simple stay and play package for $110. And of course, there was all kinds of upsells in the back end. And we put that out to our audience. We retargeted everyone who watched all those awareness stage videos in the stage prior, and we made this offer. If they were to click anywhere on this ad, it simply opens a lead form where they could put in their name, their email, their phone number, and that lead would be directly sent to the Quate Lodge team, where their sales staff or their managers would actually follow up, confirm bookings, and secure the revenue. The third step is what we call our lead nurture stage. So now that we have our awareness ads running, which means everyone in the area is seeing the content, they're seeing Quate Lodge, they're seeing the brand, and they know who we are. Then we have our lead acquisition, we're making the offer, we're generating leads. There's still gonna be a portion of people who are not coming through. So either they're not accepting the offer, they're not opting in as a lead, or they are opting in as a lead, but we just still can't get a hold of them. Maybe they're just on the fence, they don't wanna pick up their phone, they're not answering their emails. And so the third step is meant to capture all of that. It's kind of like patching the hole in your bucket. And this is what we call that lead nurture stage. And the way a lead nurture stage works is simple. We simply retarget all of those leads that haven't yet converted with what we call social proof. Reviews, testimonials, case studies, things that would entice those customers to finally make that decision to commit, opt in, or even just return the phone call. We build out all 3 of these campaigns at once and they run simultaneously. So in effect, what we did for Quate Lodge is build a lead gen engine that got their brand in front of their customer, generated leads from that brand awareness, and then nurtured the leads that weren't converting until they did convert. The result was simple. 1,042 reservation requests in under 90 days. That's 90 days and $2,900, almost $70,000 of reservation revenue from a single campaign, from a single effort. That's something that I think went far beyond our expectations and theirs. So if you have a resort property, a hotel, or you're anywhere in the hospitality industry and you want similar results, we can help. Just visit www.SuitSocial.com or click the link below to learn more, and we'll be happy to tell you all about how we can implement this in your business. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you next time.